Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. It's Monday, the last day of the long weekend. I actually wasn't going to film today because I woke up and I don't know if you can still see it. It's a little bit red. It's getting better now. But yeah, my bloody eye tore again. This morning when I opened my eyes, just a little bit, it's actually starting to feel a lot better now. Like the more I blink and, you know, the tears go across it, it actually smooths out any rips, so it actually doesn't feel as bad. So yeah, it's actually getting a little bit better. It's still a little bit bloodshot, but anyway. So yeah, I wasn't going to film today, and I thought I'd just leave. I know my face is horrid, but I'm just leaving all makeup off today just while my eyes healing again, because I was wearing makeup yesterday, I don't think I put enough eye drops in throughout the day. So I think that's why it dried out a little bit overnight. So I'm just going to make sure I do my hourly eye drops in it today. Not really much happening today. We've lost our cat. Well, she went out last night. We locked the dogs up. I went to take something out into the bin, and she got out last night. And yeah, she hasn't come back this morning, which is a bit of a concern because we can't really let the dogs out of the cages until we know where the cat is. Otherwise, she'll just get eaten. So yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. The dogs are locked up at the moment, and we might have to just leave our garage door open ajar just to, you know, give her a little bit of an escape route if she does get cornered by the dogs. So yeah, that's so far what's happening this Monday. I haven't got anything exciting planned today. I think Jessie and Michael are going into town to do something or go to the tip, or I don't know, they're doing something. And I'm just staying in and just sorting out some paperwork. Now, my vlog weekend is not really going as planned as far as getting it out to you. It's now day 4, which is Monday, and I still haven't even got day 1 vlog up yet. Like, it's not uploaded. It was going all day yesterday. Let me just adjust this without dropping it. Yeah, it was uploading all day yesterday and got to about 40%, and it was still on 40% this morning. So it hadn't moved, so I had to cancel it and start it again. So it's now Monday. I'm trying to upload day 1. It's currently on 13%, and the internet is just not really working very well. So I may have this long weekend vlog out to you guys by next weekend at this rate. So, but I have actually filmed and edited a heap of videos. Like, how many have I got ready to go? Let me just try and do this left-handed and one-handed. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos that I've actually edited, and they're pretty much ready to be uploaded. So as soon as the internet starts uploading them, yeah, they'll be out to you guys. So that's what's happening at the moment. I'm just about to make myself a coffee. I'm not going to have any breakfast well, it's 12 o'clock at the moment. I haven't had breakfast because I got up at about 11. I was up till about 2:30 in the morning yesterday just editing all these videos, trying to get them all done. So it's 12 o'clock now. I only got up about an hour ago, and I'm not really that hungry yet. So I'm just going to have a coffee and do a little bit of paperwork, and yeah, check back in a little bit. There's no balls of fluff and random arms and legs anywhere? No.
No, they've eaten a lot.
Well, they do look very content in their cages, so I don't know. And, you know, Bandit's got that really I didn't do it tail wag going on. So I'm not sure. I mean, she'd be able to get over the gate if they did, like if she was running, she'd be able to get over the gate, wouldn't she?
She makes it to the gate.
Yeah. Well, I think when you go, I'll just leave the garage door open ajar just enough for her to get through and just let them out.
I've left the shed
open that
much.
Yeah.
Like so that you can go in there.
I mean, if she's smart, she could jump on top of or inside the car. They'd never get inside the car, but...
Oh, yeah, they would.
Oh, would they? Oh, fuck, that would be a bit of a disaster. Imagine that, 2 dogs and a cat all inside the bloody front of that car. All right, well, yeah, because, I mean, we can't leave them locked up all day. And chances are she's just bloody asleep somewhere because she's been out all night.
Yeah, well, she wasn't, I didn't see her when I come home from work.
Okay. And that's unusual because normally she'd be there waiting to have someone open the door, so. Oh well, okay. Well, my eye feels better now. It's back to normal.
The thing that I'm picking up should be good for your filming as well.
What are you picking up?
The smartphone gimbal for cinematic filming.
I have no idea what you just said. A smart film gimbal.
Phone
Gimbal. What's a gimbal? I'm not savvy with these things. I'm lucky that I'm using my new phone at this moment. Okay, so Jessie and Mike have actually gone to Foster to pick up that camera, whatever he called it. I don't even know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap Jessie's birthday presents. She doesn't know it, but we've actually got her a couple of things that she's been requesting for her horse. So I'm just going to wrap them up now while she's not here, and hopefully that'll be a nice surprise for her tomorrow. So I'll show you what we've got. So here she wanted a what do you call it, a saddle pad, like it's like a thick blanket that goes under the saddle. I'm not very horsey, mind you, so I'm not really up on the exact names of what they are, but yeah, it's like a decorative blanket that goes underneath the saddle, but she's really wanted one of these. So we've got that, and the other thing we got was this contraption, which I'm told is called a breastplate, and it's something that goes, it attaches to the reins and goes across the front of the horse's chest, and I think it helps to keep the saddle in place, like where it stops the saddle from moving back maybe. I'm not 100% sure, I don't really know, but I think it's called a breastplate. So I think those 2 gifts she's actually going to be more than happy with. She bought a couple of like items of clothes yesterday, on Saturday when we went to Port, but yeah, so she's not really a girly girl in that regard. Like, she's not into makeup and she's not really into clothes and things like that, but anything to do with horses, she's, yeah. And because I don't really know a lot about horses, I rely on my husband to get all the things that she needs. So yep, I'm just going to wrap these up and then get into just going to do some paperwork today, like I said, so I'm going to get stuck into that. The first vlog, day 1, is still uploading. It's currently on about 30%, so yeah, hopefully we'll have that up at least today sometime for you guys. Yeah, I'll check back later. Look who's back! Smart cat. She actually finally came back just as it went dark this morning, so she's not all stupid, this cat.
It went dark this morning.
Oh, what? She came back as it went dark today, like, yeah. Oh my god, I need sleep. Yeah, so just as it was going dark, she popped under the garage door and was scratching at the door waiting to come in. Doesn't look like she's been inside any dog's mouths or anything like that. She looks like she's all in one piece, so we're all happy now. And well, Michael and Jessie just come back from shopping and just got a few things to put away. I'm not really feeling like much tonight, so I've just made myself some scrambled eggs and a cup of tea. I think Michael and Jessie got something to eat while they were out. Excuse my gluggy eye, I've just had to put some ointment in it just to help it keep moist, for want of a better word. And I'm just boiling up some hard-boiled eggs for tomorrow's lunch and some snacks. And tomorrow is actually Jessie's birthday, so with that she has requested to have sushi for her birthday, so we're having a bit of a free day tomorrow as far as eating goes. So we're going to have a little bit of sushi, a little bit of cake. As you can see, Mike's prepared a little bit of alcohol. So yeah, we're just going to have a little bit of a free day tomorrow and then getting stuck back into it the following day. So yeah, I think I'll sign off today because not really much happened at all today. My day one vlog video just finished uploading probably about half an hour ago. It's probably about 7:30 at night on Monday night, so it's just been terrible, the internet. I've just set off day 2 to upload now as well, so hopefully that might finish by tomorrow. So they're going to be a bit late, but hopefully I can still get them out, you know, one each day. So that's the plan, and I'll probably do a little bit of a vlog tomorrow with it being Jessie's birthday. So yeah, with that I think I'll sign off, guys, and my eye is feeling a lot better, so yeah, it's all good. It's just a bit oily at the moment because I put some ointment in it, but yeah, it's all good. I think I just gotta keep doing what I'm doing, and I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.